Nigella sativa, N. Sativa is a small flowering plant that grows in Southwest Asia, the Middle East, and Southern Europe. This shrub also produces fruit with tiny black seeds. Commonly referred to as simply black seed, N. sativa seeds go by many other names, including black cumin, black caraway, nigella, fennel flower, and Roman coriander. Black seed oil is extracted from N. sativa seeds and has been used in traditional medicine for over 2,000 years due to its many therapeutic benefits. Potential health benefits of black seed oil in traditional medicine. Black seed oil has been used to treat a variety of health conditions. As a result, it has sometimes been referred to as panacea or universal healer. While not all of its proposed medicinal uses have been proven to be effective, black seed oil and its plant compounds have been linked to several benefits for health. High in antioxidants. Black seed oil is high in antioxidants, plant compounds that help protect cells against damage caused by unstable molecules called free radicals. Antioxidants are important for health, as research has shown that they can reduce inflammation and protect against conditions like heart disease, Alzheimer's disease, and cancer. May help in treating asthma. Asthma is a chronic condition in which the lining of your airways swell and the muscles around them constrict, making it difficult for you to breathe. May aid weight loss efforts. While the exact mechanism isn't fully understood, research shows that black seed oil may help reduce body mass index (BMI) in individuals with obesity, metabolic syndrome, or type 2 diabetes. May lower blood sugar levels for individuals with diabetes. Consistently high blood sugar levels have been shown to increase the risk of future complications, including kidney disease, eye disease, and stroke. May protect brain health. Neuroinflammation is inflammation of brain tissue. It's thought to play an important role in the development of diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Early test tube and animal research suggests that thymoquinone in black seed oil may reduce neuroinflammation. Therefore, it may help protect against brain disorders like Alzheimer's or Parkinson's disease. May be good for skin and hair. In addition to medical uses, black seed oil is commonly used topically to help with a variety of skin conditions and to hydrate hair. Research suggests that due to its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory effects, black seed oil may help in treating a few skin conditions, including acne, eczema, general dry skin, psoriasis. While black seed oil may have some benefits for health, it doesn't replace any current medications that you may already be taking. Additionally, there's currently insufficient evidence to establish a recommended dosage. As a result, it's important to talk with your healthcare provider before using black seed oil. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And for more interesting videos, subscribe to the channel.